talking about the chart. So this is also called the graph. So first I define a table, serial number and the country and population in billion, the country name, here the number of population. Okay, so just select this one and go to the insert tab, or also have the recommended chart. Okay, this is the by default. So here the lots of chart, here you can choose anyone. See here you can choose anyone. I am choosing this one. Okay, this one choose, and okay, so it is appearing here. See the name and the population in billion. Okay, also you can formatting the chart. Right click here, the format the chart. Okay, here lots of this, here choose anyone. Suppose I am choosing this one, anyone, you can choose anyone. Formatting the chart. Okay, so I'm choosing this one. Okay, also another type. So once again select this one, again go to the insert, command chart. Now I am choosing this one. Okay, here appear. Also you can size, resize and move here anyone. Okay, so this is the chart. Now one thing here, changing any value, it appears the value in the chart also. See here the KSA 112. Here see KSA 112. This is in the color form. Different countries have the different color. Now I'm changing here. Suppose 115. Okay, see the India, here India and the here India. Now see the changes. Okay, see the changes of the graph. Also here suppose 100. Here also the changes for the USA. See the USA. Okay, changes this color, changes. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, thank you.